made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable, is what I'm against.
Yes.
But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments.
This was what transpired today at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Listening to Namdi Kanu, I felt like crying for him. This man has spent 4 good years in awaiting trials. Trial, upon trial, without, the trial having headway. Now, if you listen to this guy carefully, it won't be out of place to say that Namdi Kanu is extremely brave guy. He's very, very brave. Also, he is well informed. I say it all the time. There is nothing that deforms a man like lack of information. Namdi Kanu is hitting the federal government of Nigeria, even some of the judges who are trying to do illegal judgment, but is hitting them with their own law in their constitution. Please, as we watch this video, do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up. Please share it, let the world see it. I will be right back to say some few things regarding this video. God bless you.
So I was actually surprised that a high court have refused to obey or abide by the determination of a Supreme Court judgment.
And then take the only part that is against him and then refuse to apply the part that is in favor of him.
This cherry picking of what was contained in the Supreme Court judgment is what I'm against.
Yes, that's correct.
It should be implemented holistically.
Yes.
I'm not against facing any trial. After all, I'm innocent, they have not been against me. But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law.
Are you concerned so you'll be patient for the case to go back and come back to court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still go to
It's not going on.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you
bring that envelope. Bring the envelope. The brown envelope. Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it.
I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more.
Give her the Supreme Court judgment. I'll replace a copy.
Can you hold this for me?
She can.
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And is here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here.
I like
what is
it.
The page? What is that again? Where it says
page 18.
all these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the vacuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges.
Yes.
They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a
defense.
discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196.
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. Violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Namdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
For emphasis sake, what transpired at court was this. During the trial, Namdi Kanu stood up from the dock. He said there is no confidence on the allegation leveled against him. He did told the court, when he stood up, rather, he asked his lawyer to sit, on the seat for him. You understand? Now, he told the court that there is no, confidence on the allegation leveled against him. Not only that, he said straight to the judge that he no longer have confidence on him, Justice Binta Nyanku, that he no longer have confidence on him and leave the case. All right. So based on this, the judge stood up. He said he recused himself from the case. To recuse me to opt out. You understand? To recuse me to opt out, to say no, I'm not going to be part of this. I'm not going to handle. You understand? So she recused herself and said she's not going to continue with the case. That the Chief Justice of the Federation should assign another judge to handle the case. You see, looking at this shenanigans of the government of the court is so shameful. It's shameful. Number one, that the can have told them, you don't have the right to judge you to handle this case. You said this offense was committed in UK. Good. It's the UK government that have the right to handle the case, or they should assign it to you. Do you understand? They never assign. Why are you not doing legal? So you don't have the right to handle the case. Now, even the cases they've struck at in the past, right? They are not trying to break it inside. You cannot say that the Nigerian government, you understand, they don't need pigs. They don't. Let the Igbos go. Listen, I'm not an Igbo like you know. I'm a dog guy. I've got nothing to do with them. I'm not an Igbo. So let the Igbos go. You will let them go. Their son contested for an election. He was well Igbo ring him out. Now, you are judging Namdi Kanu, the same thing that Sunday Igboho has committed. The same country where they are releasing Boko Harams, admitting them into the Nigerian army. You understand? And the rest. But Namdi Kanu is unfairly treated. How can there be peace in such a nation? How can peace come to the southeast with these shenanigans of the government and the court? I feel for him, but I believe justice will definitely prevail at last. Please help me like this video so that Facebook and YouTube can recommend it to others. Please share it for the world to see. Thanks and God bless you.